Say hi. Hey everybody, it's Chad and Maxwell. Say hi again. Time for your weekly update. So if you're watching the weekly updates, chances are that you know what we got going on here and you'd like it. If you're brand new to the channel, thanks for watching. Please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the little bell so you get notified on what we got going on here. So we're just going to do a general update. I have been really busy the last 2 weeks, and I haven't had a lot of time to film the greenhouse stuff, but we're doing the updates. So let's flip you around and show you the pumpkins. So the pumpkins are growing pretty well. Set the boy down because he's heavy. So the 1911 Urena is definitely one of the front runners. This one's interesting. The 1002 Alts is only like his first true leaf. Looks like it's only about a half a leaf. So that's interesting. 1984, or sorry, 19, right? 1894 Urena. That one looks really good. 2118 Baron. 1984 Baron. This one doesn't look so hot. The cots came up a little funky. 1984 Baron. This one looks good. Again, one of the cots on that one came up a little funky. 2118 Baron. This one looks really good. Another 1911 Urena. 2118 Baron and 1501 Vanderwylen. So as far as if I was going to rank them, I would say 1911 is probably number one. 1894 Urena maybe number two. This 1501 Vanderwylen might be number three. And then number four is probably the 2118 Baron. That's not how I would have ranked them before I started the seeds, but that's you know that's how it goes, I suppose. The two 1984s, both of these guys right here, I've had really high hopes for these seeds, but these do not look that great. If I'm being honest, I'm probably still going to plant at least one of them, and then I'm going to grow them out and see who wins. So let's go look at the greenhouse. So Maxwell, one of his favorite things in the whole wide world is going for rides with Dad on the tractor. But yeah, we'll go for a ride. We got to do the update first, and then have some dinner. Then maybe yet. Hold my hand. All right, let's go out to the greenhouse. Okie dokie, are we rolling? I think we're rolling. Maxwell, we're rolling. So here is the greenhouse in all of its glory and splendor. The carpenter that I hired is making pretty good progress. Today is Thursday, April the 30th. So we are almost in May. Come on, son. And yeah, we're just about done here. So I'll walk you through it. The end walls look fantastic. Those are done. I was helping today a little bit the channel lock, so all the wiggle wire that is in place. The roll-up door rolls up and it rolls down. The door opens and closes. The passive vent up there opens and shuts. So with a quick pull down, that does shut. Max is going to play in the dirt. Please be careful of that sharp edge there, son, right next to your head. Yeah, come here. Come here. Good job. The only thing, one of the only things that I never talked about that I should have is the orientation of the greenhouse. Because of how my property is sitting, the orientation would have been better if it was this way. That's what, north and south? Yeah, north and south. But instead I'm like east and west. So I am going to get a big shadow cast on the pumpkin patch right here in the late afternoon. That is definitely not ideal. It's not the end of the world. What I can do is probably get some bug screen and put that there and make like a screen door and roll that up if I'm really feeling spunky. But I don't think that that's going to be 100% necessary. I think that they'll get plenty of sun throughout the day. And then the other end wall, yeah, buddy, it's the BCS tractor. And then the other end that that I got done working on is the swamp cooler. So again, this is a 20-foot long swamp cooler. Oh, careful, son. The ground is so nice and tilled, it's just hard for you to get much traction there. So the swamp cooler, the 20-foot long swamp cooler, that is all done. If you do not know what a swamp cooler is, I will tell you really fast. So let's start over here. So we'll start over here on this end. Water will flow into the float valve. So this is a float valve. I will attach water to this hose attachment. From that, we'll go to the other side. Don't eat any dirt, son. Oh, good job. It will fill up this whole trough here. So this whole trough will be full of water. This pump will pump up to this header right here. And in this pipe that runs the entire length, there's little holes. Those little holes will trickle water down through these pads. So these pads will be soaked with water. The outside will be covered in plastic, except this area right here on the outside. And then that big exhaust fan at the other end will suck air through this opening, cooling it, adding nice cool air and humidity into the entire greenhouse. So that is what this giant thing is right here. This is probably one of the things that I'm most excited about. So the geothermal heating tail that's right there that I will be putting up shortly, actually, and the giant swamp cooler to keep this greenhouse not an oven. Yeah, killer. Is super exciting. So that's really about it. Soil sample was sent off yesterday. I hope to... Tractor. Can you say tractor?
Tractor.
Yes, it is. The soil sample was sent off and should be back tomorrow, hopefully on Friday. And other than that, let's take it out with Max. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, share it with a friend. Make sure you get out there, grow yourself a pumpkin. Max, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.